What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. I've had a ton of requests for a senior citizen haircut. I know you guys see these a lot at barber school. So here it is for you guys. It's going to be a number 6 on the sides, tapered down into his beard, lined up all the way around, kind of a side part comb over. Hope this is helpful for you guys. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so we got the hair parted. We're going to go in with a number 6 all the way closed. You guys can see we're just going to slowly let that clipper feed up into the length on top. Try to blend that in as best as possible, and then we'll make sure the rest of the side is cut down to a 6 before we move on. If you guys do see the slight inconsistencies around the ears on both sides, and there is a little indentation on the top as well, he does sleep with the CPAP machine, so that's something we have to deal with when we cut his hair. Now I'm coming in with the number 3 all the way open. We're just going to try to bridge this gap between the 6 and what his beard length is. So let's start with the number 3. We don't have to use every guard in this scenario. Number 3 all the way open, and we're flicking into that 6. We're going to try to get that sideburn nice and low, connected to the beard. So we'll just work our way down. Now we're coming in with a 1.5, which is my guess at the length of his beard. 1.5, halfway open. I'm going to flick up into that, and if we need, we'll use the number 2 in between those two sections to connect it all. Now it's hard to see, but this number 2 is going to clean up just some minor imperfections between the 3 and the 1.5. So we'll go ahead and go through this with the number 2 until we're happy with the sideburn area connecting into that 6, and we can move on. Now we're coming in with our thinning shears. We just want to hit the tips of the hair here, guys, and make sure that this lays in super nice. If you guys were doing it good enough with your number 6 and letting it feed, you shouldn't have a lot of work to do right here. I'm just going to slightly go in here and clean this up and make sure that it lays in nice and smooth. Now when we're doing the edge up, guys, we're dealing with so much hair because it is a little bit longer. We want to make sure that we keep brushing the hair over the lineup. We're going to go over this a few times, brush the hair back over it, and make sure that we get all the hair so that when he leaves, he has a nice sharp lineup and nothing's going to lay over the top of the line. Now when we're working around the ear, it's going to be even a little more difficult. Like I said, he does wear the CPAP machine, so you guys can see some indentions in his head. He also wears glasses, so we're just going to have to work this hair. Like I said, keep combing it over the hairline, make sure that we get all the hair that's hanging over, and I will show you guys a technique here in a second to get some of these longer hairs that want to lay back. They really don't want to hang over the hairline, so you're going to take your comb like you just saw. A little bit of a tricky move. You're going to hold the ear out of the way, take your comb the hair down, and then take off any excess hair that's hanging over the line. Now we'll work that line straight down the back of the neck, and then we can move on. Now on this side, guys, we'll do the same exact steps. We're starting with the number 6. We're going to go ahead and blend into the top like we did before. Then we'll just fade our way down. Now that we kind of know how the hair is going to act, we can come in with our 3, then our 2, then our 1.5, and go ahead and blend this sideburn out. But I'll kind of let you guys watch. I did look forward to doing this haircut for you guys. I know it is a common haircut at barber school and definitely something we're not so good at. We're used to doing skin fades and tapers and really cutting the hair short, so leaving more hair is a little more difficult for us sometimes, and dealing with this white hair is a little bit tougher as well. So I hope this video helps you guys. My guy Steve in the video, he's one of my favorite clients. He's been coming to me probably 5 or 6 years now, so you know, me being covered in tattoos, some of the last clients I expected to connect with are older gentlemen like Steve, but he has been coming, loyal client of mine and one of my favorite people that I cut, and I told him I needed to do a senior haircut and would he be down for it, and he was absolutely down for it. So thank you, Steve, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys for these type of haircuts moving forward. All right, moving on to the back, we will basically do the same steps. We're going to tape our number 6 closed all the way up into the top, and then after that we'll come in with a number 4 open at the bottom of his nape area. We're not going to taper it down any shorter. He really doesn't like to see skin, or should I say his wife doesn't really like to see skin, so we have worked for a long time to find the right lengths for his haircut. You guys can see on this white hair, you can see through it a little bit easier. So we'll do a number 4 at the bottom, go ahead and line it up all the way around. We're not going to taper it out or anything, and then we can move on to the top. All right, moving on to the top, we're gonna go ahead and saturate the hair with some water. If you guys can see, we have a little bit of a recession on both sides, so we are gonna treat the very front center of his hair separate. We will cut that last and connect it at the end. So I'm gonna cut everything from there back. So we will start with the connection to the side here. We're gonna take this straight up and start with our guide from the side. We'll just take that corner off, and then we can work that up over the top. Now, as you guys can see, we will work behind that front section. We'll start from the recession back. You can see the guide from the side that we created, and we will just take that all the way across. We'll work from front to back. Then we'll step over a section, and we will work that same guide all the way across, 2 more sections across. Then we can connect that front little section, and I'll show you guys when we get to that. We're gonna go ahead and connect the back, same as we did around the sides. I just turned them so you guys can see it. So we will comb from where the 6 guard is and grab the length, and you guys can see we have a little bit of a corner sticking out. All we have to do is take that out, and that will lay in nice for us. Now to connect that front section, like I said, guys, we will treat it, that whole section as one. We're just gonna turn it vertically and connect it to the back, but we wanna make sure that we maintain that length. So I will not be pulling that all up in its own individual sections. We will just shape it in the front right here, and that will make sure that we have enough length to comb up and over like he likes. Alright, so one other thing we need to make sure that we do for our older gentlemen is clean their eyebrows up and their ears. So you guys can see I'm taking the fine tooth part of my comb, going straight through the eyebrow, and anything that's longer will stick through. We'll go ahead and knock that down with our trimmer. Any loose hairs around the edge, I'll make sure and go ahead and clean up. These things like to get out of control the older you get, so make sure we get them nice and cleaned up for him and keep his wife happy, so he's not looking crazy at home. And if there's anything growing out of the ears as well, guys, that is part of a haircut. I will clean that up as well, and that's very common as well. Now we're gonna come in, give it a little blow dry, guys. We'll blow dry the front up and over. We'll go ahead and get this part on this side cleaned up a little bit when we get to that part, and get it blow dried and styled. We'll throw some product in it. You guys can check out the end result. All right, now that it's blow dried, I will throw in some matte paste. We're just gonna get a nice little hold on this. Finished style, I will use my fingers to kind of do a finger wave. I'll end up coming through with a wide tooth comb to give the same look, but make sure that we get the hair laid down where we want it. You guys can see we left enough length in the front for it to come up and over. Get our part to lay down nice, and you guys can check out this end result to this haircut. Alright guys, there's the before on my guy Steve. You guys wanted to see a senior haircut, so here we go. Just a nice cleanup, nothing too short. But there it is guys, 6 on the sides, comb over, side part. If you guys like this haircut, smash that like button. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if this helps you guys. Also let me know if there's any more content that you guys are wanting to see from me more specifically, and I will try to get that done for you. Make sure you guys subscribe for more content coming soon, and I'll catch you guys next time.